welcome to the Florida Family Lawcast. My name is Amber Kornreich, coming from Miami, Florida. Today is a special event because we are kicking off our Emerging Lawyers Voices of Emerging Lawyers and Law Students series. Today's featured guest is Bethany Boylan. She is a Florida State University College of Law student graduating in 2027. She attended the University of Central Florida for undergrad, and she's originally from Mount Dora. She will be a law clerk this summer at the Earth Justice, and she has an upcoming article on the Federal Indian Trust Responsibility and Contract Law, which will be published in the FSU Journal of Land Use and Environmental Law. We'd like to acknowledge Maria Gonzalez, who prompted the idea for this series, and also Jessica Brown from Funding Florida Legal Aid. So welcome, Bethany.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
So Bethany, where was your fellowship and where did you complete it?
So I was at Legal Services of North Florida here in Tallahassee, and that was last summer, summer 2025.
Great. And what was your favorite experience from the fellowship?
So I worked in the Victims' Rights Project, and we did a lot of certainly like heavy, emotionally tolling work, but there was just a lot of great clients that I worked with that were so grateful and so thankful for the experience and for the representation that they got. And I worked under a great supervising attorney, Crystal Marco, and she was so inspiring and she truly cared about her clients' causes. And I was really inspired by that experience and that mentor. It was just, I still speak with her. She's just an amazing mentor. She is like truly an amazing attorney, and that was invaluable to that experience.
That's fantastic. So would you recommend others apply for the fellowship and why?
Yeah, of course. There's a lot of great placements that are advertised through the program. You're able to sort through them, pick a few that you are interested in, and then if you're selected for the position, they'll pick from those favorites that you list. And even if you don't think you want to do public interest work upon graduation, it's so rewarding. And I'm sure a lot of people that are interested in even corporate law would find a lot to gain from an experience like that. It really like fuels you. It just fills you with a fire, and you just feel like you're giving back. And even if that's not your calling for the rest of your life, it's just so it's so memorable, and you just really feel like you're making a difference in people's lives.
Well, your journey is really impressive. And, this is why do you believe pro bono is important for law students or for young lawyers?
I think, I mean, obviously, everyone that goes to law school, they come from all different walks of life, but there's some inherent privilege in being able to say that you are going to law school, you graduated law school, now you're a part of this prestigious profession. And I think pro bono is just really an amazing way to give back to the communities that shaped you, to the people that don't have that same privilege. It's really, you just really like feel better when you contribute in that way. You are able to provide for those less fortunate.
Well, thank you, Bethany, for your work this summer on the fellowship. And we know that you're going to go on to incredible things, and we look forward to following you as you go on.
Thank you so much. Really enjoyed talking to you today.